Hey, you. Got your attention. Just sitting down and starting immediately with your meditation often doesn't work. And the reason for this is quite simple, because the majority of our energy is spent on thinking thoughts and is therefore trapped in the mind. So today I'm going to show you 4 natural ways how to move the energy back from the head into the body or the heart, so you can start with your meditation, so you're not just trapped in dreams. Number 1 is dancing. Dancing is probably the most easiest way to move the energy from the head into the body, and there are basically 2 main ways. The first is you dance in a very expressive way and just try to throw out your emotions and everything that is stuck in your body. The second way is a very beautiful way. You just listen to music that is very devotional to you, and you just dance in a very soft way and allow the body to move the way it actually wants to move with grace. The second step is swimming. Just go for a swim, and if you don't have the chance to swim in an ocean or a river or in the sea, just take a cold shower, because water is capable of taking the energy, and especially cold water is quite good in removing negative energy, and you will be immediately shocked into your body, so there's not much space for energy wasted on thoughts. The third way is make music. If you play an instrument, just play the guitar, and even if you can sing, just sing along. And for the people who might be a little bit shy with singing, just start to hum. By humming or singing, you will definitely bring back the energy which is stored in the mind into the body. And the fourth method is having a good laughter session. Next time before you meditate, just sit down and have a good, loud laughter, completely unfiltered, for a few minutes. If that is too strange for you or you're not familiar with it, just try with the approach, fake it till you make it. Just sit down and start to mechanically laugh. And at a certain point it's just a question of time, it will change to a natural laughter. Do this for a couple of minutes, 5 to 10 minutes, then start your meditation and see what happens. If that short video explanation resonates with you, stick around by hitting the subscribe button, and also check out some of my other videos which explain to you certain meditation tips just in 1 or 2 minutes. Peace out.